Hi, finally Poco Global has officially launched a new product, a product that will shake up the mid-range smartphone market. Anyone know what product it is? Yes, you are right. It's Poco X7 series.
Light it up and we smoke. Keep me high up off the ground. In a haze, in the clouds. We ain't ever coming down.
Coming with full speed ahead tagline, Poco X7 series doesn't just deliver outstanding performance, but also brings a completely different vibes. As a Poco enthusiast, I am very proud to be a part of this special moment, and once again, thank you for this amazing opportunity. Anyway, in this video, we are going to do unboxing of Poco X7. First unboxing in Indonesia, I don't know, but let's check this out.
Ryan Little.
Honestly, I think if Poco X6 would be the peak standard for all-rounder mid-range smartphone.
One-hole display with ultra-thin bezel, OIS on main camera, have ultra-wide camera, 67-watt Xiaomi turbocharged, and a powerful yet power-efficient Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor. But Poco, once again, broke boundaries and rewrite possibilities set by its predecessor. Let's break down point by point. Bold, different, disruptive. That's Poco tagline.
Instantly, I can see that vibe when I see the Poco X7 design. This time, Poco massively success to deliver that tagline.
Cool and bold design that perfectly represent their tagline. Not just cool and stylish design, but totally embodies Poco identity that I know from the start. Look at the details, let's take a closer look. We can see texture synthetic leather body, stitching pattern, another small pattern detail on the camera bump, and dual tone black and yellow color that's so iconic with Poco. Poco X7 design looks absolutely stunning, I swear it. Moreover, the design of Poco X7 also reminds me of a race car design, and one of them is Xiaomi SU7 Ultra, a masterpiece. Anyway, we will find the power and volume button on the right side, SIM card tray, charging port, microphone, and a speaker on the bottom side, IR blaster, secondary microphone, dual speaker on the top side, and nothing on the left side of the smartphone. Not just with cool body design, we can also see if Poco X7 is the first Poco X series to support IP68. Compared to previous generation, Poco X7 give us significant differences. Poco X7 adopt a fully curved design on the front screen or back cover, which is really contrast to the boxy design of the Poco X6. Move on to the screen. Poco X7 features a massive upgrade on the display. Still use a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus with a 120Hz refresh rate. But now Poco X7 comes with a curved AMOLED display. Curved screen give us an enjoyable experience, especially when we're using the smartphone for multimedia consumption or even something as simple as swiping left or right screen with gesture. Poco X7 is also my first smartphone with a curved AMOLED display, making it feel truly special and giving off a flagship vibes. Poco X7 display truly exceeded my expectation. I thought that a flat screen with a super thin bezel like on the Poco X6 was the best you could get on a mid-range smartphone. But Poco X7 takes a step further, offering a huge upgrade with its curved AMOLED display, all while keeping the amazing features from the previous generation. Breaking boundaries, Poco X7 once again rewrites possibilities in the performance sector. This time, Poco X7 using MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra. Poco X7 also gives us a massive memory configuration for a mid-range device with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Out of the box, Poco X7 runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.4.0 based on Android 14. Okay, do you expect the compromise is in the camera sector? If so, you are wrong. Poco X7 defies those expectations. It features a 50MP main camera with OIS, along with 8MP ultrawide and 2MP macro camera. But wait, Poco X7 main camera is only 50MP. What if we compare it to Poco X6, which has 64MP? Don't worry, the 50MP on Poco X7 is Sony LYT600, or we can say it as Sony IMX 800 and XG2.
Poco once again breaking boundaries and rewriting possibilities set by the other smartphone.
I believe Poco X7 will set the next standard for all-rounder smartphone in this price range. We will exploring more on the next read, so don't forget to visit c.po.co/global for the update. There is plenty of interesting information about Poco you will find.
Okay, I think that's all for this video. Wait for the review on my Thread or my YouTube channel, and see ya. Arigato. Terima kasih. Bye bye.